Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, redefines wealth. For him, it's not about amassing material possessions, but about making sound financial choices, embracing a frugal lifestyle, and ultimately achieving long-term financial security. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. Understanding money's utility. Money serves different purposes for different people. For some, it is a means to live comfortably and pay bills. For others, it is a tool to create more wealth. This distinction is crucial in understanding how we view and use money. Warren Buffett points out that money has little utility for him in terms of luxury items. He does not see the value in owning multiple houses or extravagant possessions. Instead, he finds joy in experiences and relationships. This perspective highlights the importance of understanding what truly brings happiness. Many people view money as a way to signal status. They believe that owning expensive items will elevate their social standing. However, this mindset often leads to a cycle of spending to impress others. The real utility of money is not in how it looks, but in how it can be used wisely. Motivation behind business. The motivation to run a business often stems from passion rather than profit. For Buffett, running a company is about doing what he loves with people he cares about. This intrinsic motivation drives success and fulfillment. Many entrepreneurs start businesses to solve problems or fulfill needs. They focus on creating value rather than just making money. This approach leads to sustainable growth and a more profound sense of purpose. When motivation aligns with passion, it creates a powerful force. It allows individuals to push through challenges and stay committed to their goals. Money becomes a byproduct of doing what they love rather than the primary goal. Diverse perspectives on money. People from different economic backgrounds often have distinct views on money. Those with less may see it primarily as a means to survive. They often prioritize immediate needs over long-term investments. In contrast, the middle class tends to focus on credit and accumulating assets. They may see money as a tool to maintain a certain lifestyle. This can lead to a cycle of borrowing and spending that does not foster true wealth. Wealthy individuals, however, view money differently. They see it as a resource to create more wealth. Their focus is on investments that will generate passive income. This mindset shifts the focus from spending to growing financial resources. The importance of true wealth. True wealth goes beyond financial assets. It encompasses well-being, relationships, and personal growth. The pursuit of money should not overshadow the pursuit of a fulfilling life. People often confuse wealth with material possessions. However, many who appear wealthy may not have true financial security. In contrast, those who live modestly may have substantial savings and investments. This realization is vital in redefining what wealth means. It encourages individuals to seek a balance between financial success and personal happiness. Finding joy in simple things can lead to a richer life experience. Investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best decisions you can make. This includes acquiring skills and knowledge that enhance your value. Personal growth leads to better opportunities and financial success. Buffett emphasizes the importance of communication skills. These skills can open doors and create lasting connections. The value of investing in yourself cannot be overstated. Whether through formal education or self-improvement, the goal is to maximize your potential. This investment will pay dividends throughout your life. It is an asset that cannot be taken away. Changing your perspective on wealth. Changing how you think about wealth is essential for success. The desire to impress others can lead to poor financial decisions. Instead, focus on building true wealth through smart investments. As you shift your mindset, the need for flashy displays fades. You start to value financial stability over social status. This change in perspective allows you to prioritize long-term goals. True wealth is not about how much you spend, but how wisely you invest. It involves making informed decisions that foster growth. This approach leads to a more secure financial future and a more fulfilling life. The value of modesty. Modesty is a powerful trait. It allows individuals to focus on what truly matters. When people are modest, they tend to make better financial decisions. They prioritize investments over appearances. In a world filled with distractions, modesty serves as a reminder. It helps individuals stay grounded. They can avoid the pitfalls of consumerism and the pressure to impress others. True value lies in the choices we make. Modesty encourages a mindset that appreciates long-term gains. Instead of seeking immediate gratification, modest individuals invest in their future. The dangers of showing off. Showing off can lead to dangerous consequences. It often attracts unwanted attention. This attention can result in theft or exploitation. When someone flaunts their wealth, they become a target. People may seek to take advantage of their perceived riches. This creates unnecessary risks and stress. Moreover, the need to impress others can lead to poor financial decisions. Individuals may overspend to maintain an image. This cycle of spending can undermine their financial stability. For those seeking to take control of their financial future, platforms like interactive brokers can provide access to a wide range of investment opportunities, allowing individuals to participate in the market and potentially build wealth over time. Click the first link in the description to learn more. The philosophy of humility. Humility is essential for true wealth. It fosters a mindset that values growth and learning. Humble individuals recognize their limitations and seek to improve. They understand that wealth is not just about money. It encompasses knowledge, relationships, and experiences. This broader perspective leads to a more fulfilling life. Warren Buffett exemplifies this philosophy. He emphasizes the importance of continuous learning. For him, humility is a key ingredient in financial success. Financial discipline and smart investments. Financial discipline is crucial for lasting wealth. It involves making informed choices about spending and saving. Individuals must resist the urge to indulge in short-term pleasures. Smart investments are the cornerstone of financial success. Rather than focusing on immediate rewards, one should think long-term. This means investing in assets that appreciate over time. Buffett often advises to buy low and hold. This strategy requires patience and foresight. It is essential to look beyond current trends and focus on future potential. Learning from everyday millionaires. Everyday millionaires provide valuable lessons. They often live modestly and make smart financial choices. Their success comes from consistent efforts and wise investments. These individuals prioritize saving over spending. They understand the importance of living below their means. This approach allows them to accumulate wealth over time. By observing their habits, anyone can learn. It's not about the flashy lifestyle, it's about the discipline and dedication that leads to financial prosperity. Long-term wealth building and patience. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey that unfolds over time, demanding patience and unwavering dedication. Many fall prey to the allure of quick riches, often leading to impulsive decisions and ultimately disappointment. True wealth, however, is not a destination reached overnight. It's a culmination of consistent effort, meticulous planning, and a steadfast commitment to long-term financial goals. The path to financial success is rarely linear. It's fraught with obstacles, unexpected detours, and periods of uncertainty. Maintaining focus amidst these challenges can be arduous, but it's crucial. Perseverance, the ability to withstand setbacks and continue on the chosen path, is a cornerstone of financial success. Those who remain steadfast in their pursuit despite the inevitable ups and downs are ultimately rewarded with the fruits of their patience and hard work. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers. Click the link to learn more.